All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at the LOKITHOR 5-in-1 jump starter slash car starter. So this 5-in-1 unit comes with a 2500 amp jump starter, a 200 psi pressure washer, 150 psi air compressor, a 2000 milliamp power bank, and a 500 lumens emergency light. So let's go ahead and open up the box so we can get our eyes on this 5-in-1 jump starter. So I have a truck with a diesel engine, so I needed something that was pretty big for jump starting a F350. And the LOKITHOR was the perfect solution for just that. All right, so inside the box, we have hose number 1. We have our second hose with the filter at the end as well. We also have our jumper cables here. We have some tips for our air compressor. We have our plug that will plug directly into your cigarette lighter in your vehicle. We have a USB Type-C cable, and then we have a hose for our air compressor. And all that fits into a nice little bag. Then we have another USB Type-C cable, and this is going to be USB Type-C on each end. We have our attachment for the car wash, and then we have the LOKITHOR jump starter unit, and this thing is an absolute monster. All right, so this is our jump starter unit. On the front, we have a display screen, we have the force start indicator, we have a preset button here for tire pressure, we have a PSI unit switch, we have the LED light power, we have the abnormal alarm indicator, we have the power on button, the water pump switch, and the DC output power button. So this is a 12-volt jump starter, and it is perfect for gas or diesel engines. With this unit charge, you're looking at getting around 60 starts before you need to recharge the unit. On the side here, we have a bright emergency light in case you get into a jam. On the back here, you have your water inlet for the pressure washer. On the front, you have the outlet for the pressure washer. This is where your jumper cables are gonna plug right into. This is your power bank for your USB Type-C and standard USB. Then here on the left side, you have your attachment for your air compressor. And this also comes with a really sturdy handle for carrying. And I can't say the emergency light here on the side is pretty bright. So there you go, the 5-in-1 jump starter by LOKITHOR. If you're looking for a strong compact unit for jump starting your car or truck with a built-in pressure washer and air compressor plus an emergency light, this is definitely a good unit for you guys to check out. Hopefully this video helped you out, and I will see you on the next one.